So here is something people don't often think about when they're downsizing. This is a crawl space for a condo that's up there. And when people, especially seniors, are beginning to move out, they forget about these little spaces, but it's very important. This is something that you can do on your own before you're ready to downsize. So this crawl space is pretty clean. However, see all these boards here? The buyer doesn't want those. They don't want all this little leftover junk. Now, this place is very clean and tidy. This is really all there is right here. But many crawl spaces we go into are much more full. So not only does the buyer not want that, the seller is responsible for getting that out. And as a senior, that's often hard to do, and finding somebody that will do that can be very difficult, because not only do you have to go in the crawl space and get that out, the only way out of here is a trek. Either way. So this is actually the shortest way. So we have to find somebody who can load up all that wood and take it all this way up this hill out to the parking lot. So these are the kinds of things that we do all the time. It's not easy. So if you have a senior move manager that's helping you with stuff like this, be super grateful.